And this is Leonardo Mendes. From the Al Jazeera source, there is growing investor pessimism that Brazilian President-elect Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva will govern with fiscal discipline, and country's central bank chief likened a market sell-off to a disastrous moment for Brazil. This is what's going on Brazilian economy. For now on, uncertainty is on the air. Brazil's real currency and Bovespa stock index both lost approximately 4% on Thursday, as Lula's brief honeymoon with investors soared over his public commitment to prioritizing social spending over fiscal integrity and delays in naming his economic team. The Brazilian real clawed back losses on Friday, with the dollar closing the session down 1.24 after a volatile day of trading. Stocks were up more than 2%. Despite those gains, jitters remained with investors, calling for Lula to restore firm rules for public spending after significant outlays by outgoing President Jair Bolsonaro during the pandemic and the election campaign. Central Bank Chief Roberto Campos Neto, speaking at the event in São Paulo, said Thursday's rout was the latest example of markets demanding fiscal discipline amid a challenging global backdrop of high inflation, low growth, and little risk appetite. I don't know if that was a lustrous moment for Brazil, but it was a clear demonstration of the market's sensitivity to the fiscal issue, Campos Neto said, referring to the former United Kingdom Prime Minister who resigned after the markets punished her push for unfunded tax cuts. Citigroup Incorporation said in a report that investors may have been mistaken in thinking Lula would pursue an orthodox fiscal agenda, adding that the bank had decided to cut its risk exposure to Brazil in the face of this reassessment. The market seemed to have convinced itself that Lula would be fiscally orthodox. The most recent news now cast doubt on this hypothesis. Dirk Wheeler, Citi Research's head of emerging market strategy, wrote on Thursday night. Milton Malui Filho, the chief executive of Brazil's largest lender, Itaú Unibanco, said on Friday a balance needed to be struck between social spending and putting public finances in order. We think that fiscal responsibility and social responsibility should go hand in hand, he said in a conference call. This is the situation now in Brazil. This is the economic perspective. Those are the economic perspectives for Brazil at this transition moment where President Lula has lost the confidence of the investors, and also some specialists in economy are saying that this is the most uncertain government to take place. Thank you very much. This is Leonardo Mendes, Brazil.